Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to track your orders on Shop app. Hello, so tracking your order on Shop app is actually easy. So on your app, you just want to open it and sign in with the same email you use at checkout. The app automatically scans your inbox for order confirmation and adds them to your tracking list. Once your order is synced, go to your Orders tab at the bottom of your screen and you'll see all your recent purchases in one place. Tap any order to view detailed updates including shipping status, carrier info, and estimated delivery time. If your order doesn't appear, you can also add it manually by tapping the plus icon and entering the tracking number or order details. Next is the app also sends a real-time push notification so you'll get updates the moment your package ships is out for delivery and also if it's arrived. For the best experience, you want to keep the app updated and make sure email permissions are enabled so it can auto import your order seamlessly.